Cool and super easy websites to make money daily in Nigeria. In this video today, I want to show you how to make money online just by performing simple tasks like following people on Instagram, on Facebook, subscribing to YouTube channel and the likes. Make sure you watch this video to the very end to get a bonus for yourself. Before I proceed, let me do introduction. My name is Esther and on this channel I talk about money making, how to make money online, most especially through online business, and how to grow and better your finance. I test and try it out and bring it to you to learn and see how it works. Without wasting time, let's dive into the video. The link to join this particular website will be in the description of the video below. The first one is Freebies, and Freebies was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. So you can use Freebies to answer survey questions, to play games, to install applications, to make money online daily. On Freebies, you can hire online workers to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Twitter. So all what you have to do here is that you just come here, register, and then start making cool money for yourself. So the first thing to do is just to click on the link in the description below and then register. Just click on register and then you fill in your details. You fill in your details here and start making cool money for yourself. So you create account, you put your first name, your last name, your email address, then your phone number, you select your country. Yes, you choose Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. So you choose Nigeria and then you enter your password, then you confirm your password. But if you want to put your password, make sure you add numbers to it, and then you will select how did you hear about Freebies. So it is from YouTube. You are watching it from YouTube right now, so you click on YouTube, then click on agree with terms and condition and register. I have account with Freebies, so I'm going to log into my account now for you to see my account. Okay, so I have an account already with Freebies, so I'll just log in for you to see my dashboard. So this is my account on Freebies, and I'm a verified user. For you to get verified, you have to pay a token of 1,000 naira to get verified, but it is not compulsory, because if you don't get verified, you won't see much job to do like that. So once you register, just click on available jobs to see the jobs that you can do that are available. So just come here, click on jobs, available jobs, and then see the task that you need to perform. You can see website visit only 12 naira, and out of 150 people, 49 people have completed this task. And website traffic job, you see 300 people, and then 300 people are supposed to do it, and we have 153 people. So if I click on it now and then I do the task, so I will have 10 naira addition to my money in my wallet. You can see comment and follow an account on TikTok, 15 naira. Visit and use big search bar, you can see 10 naira, then 25 naira. If you do all these tasks daily, trust me, you will get close to 500 naira daily for yourself. And then you can see here they have 100 naira app sign up, join $5 daily challenge. So you have to do all these simple tasks and then get money in your wallet, and then you withdraw your money once it is up to 500 naira, and then the withdrawal are made on Fridays. So once you have 500 naira in your account, then you can place withdrawal. You can see in my wallet I have 758 naira already. So if it's on Friday now, I will just come here and then place withdrawal and get it straight up in my bank account. So this is the first site that you can make money for yourself and then get money daily from it. So the name of the second website is sitegeek.co. So that sitegeek.co, let me put it that way. So you have to come here and then follow people, do simple tasks, just like the way you do it on Freebies. So people come here and then list jobs for people to perform for them. So you can see more attention, more sales. Give your brand more engagement by giving tasks to millions to follow, like, and comment on your content. So if you come here now, when you join through the website in the description of this video, just click on join as freelancer, then put in your details and register on this particular website. It is as simple as that. You can see start earning, create value and earn more doing some side gigs for yourself. Earn from home like music review, content engagement, blog read, app download, app review, survey, promotion, movie reviews too. You can see give work done in over 100 plus different categories. These are what you do. You create task and then you will see people that will do it for you. If you want people to do your task, or you come here and choose freelancer if you want to do other people's tasks and earn money for yourself. So all what you have to do is just click on start earning. Start earning because you are a freelancer. So start earning. So if you want to bring jobs for people here, you just click on create task. So you choose your username, you enter your email and then your password, your preferred username, and then register. So these are the two websites you can come to and do simple tasks and get money for yourself daily. And please, these sites don't pay huge amount of money you ever need, but you can earn from these sites. And for the bonus, I'll be giving out cash for subscribers that have been active on my YouTube channel this month. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, yes, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, and you can check the description of this video to join our free crypto trading signals, where I drop free crypto trading signals. If you're interested in crypto trading, I drop free crypto trading signals where you trade and then earn cool cash for yourself. It is on Telegram. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group to earn cash or airtime giveaway, you can actually join us today. So I'll see you in my next video.